Tour SUV northbound coming off the summit of Atigun. Oh, we're back in the rough. What is most remarkable is what this pass was built for. That's the Trans-Alaska Pipeline. The pipeline crosses this underground. Now, up on the slope, you're going to notice once I break off of the pass that the pipeline comes back up. That's owing to the permafrost up here. This is in continuous permafrost. That's also why you don't see any trees. You're going to see a total change of vegetation anywhere else that you've seen. And I am going to put up the drone on this side, so it'll be in two cuts. I'll just join it in photo in Lightroom here. Or not Lightroom, but Premiere. But anyway, with how this is set up, is this area is extremely prone to avalanches. So they've got heat exchanger fins along this corridor of the pipe, and they do come up and they get damaged over years. They do have to do some repair work as far as I understand. They get buried, but owing to the fact of these avalanches and the difficult terrain right here, they wanted it underground. Holy cow, that is gorgeous. Yeah, we're stopping at the base. That right there's photogenic, like massively. It's scary how few people actually make the trek up here. But, like I said in the other video, you have to respect this land. If you don't, it will get you. It will kill you. This is not to be taken lightly. So, owing to that, not a lot of people ever make the chance to come up here. They just kind of, well, whatever. It's the slope. Even Alaskans, they don't come up. Which is kind of sad, really. The same man that keeps this road safe. Well, safe for that. What it could be if there was a bunch of people and a bunch of morons. Because there's no cell service, there's no internet. There's no towns, no rescue points. It's just you in the wilderness. How it's supposed to be. Alright, I'm going to pull off at the chain up spot here. Get some shots. I'm going to throw up the drone for a second. Get a little video of this. And we'll head on to this. And head on north. And now you know I was going, holy cow. Alright, let me get a trick line depths. This is photogenic as well. Like that. Let's do this. Do, 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 do.